430, but the 200 EMA is at 397. So if this happens to be strong, at the very least 397. But 430 could be a good target here. HOTH. So we'll see how that one does. Again, there's also AXLA. Yesterday's high, AXLA, is at 143. The 2-minute warning is about to hit 143. Today we got to 46 and it's pulled back. So can we hold up and get back over those levels? The lowest level here so far today was at 121. That gives us a bottom, gives us a range. And really and truly, once we start to hold up about 130, let's see, what's the higher? 36? Yeah, over 136, if it's able to hold up well at that level. I'd probably start to watch it for entries for that break over 40 and then, potential move through the highs. So hopefully AXLA gives us some opportunities today. One of those stocks that's a bit of a maybe, but, we'll see. So which one will it be? Which stock will it be? There's also CRNX that gave us the move to $30. It's still hanging out around that range, although lighter volume. Let's see, ACB, not really much, but still kind of sideways as well. WE from yesterday did not hold up well. And there's also ZVSA, which is the cheaper stock at 17 cents, room to 2079. So remember our disclaimer. Remember that day trading, like any other business here in the States, is risky. And that it's best to approach the market in a low risk way, utilizing a simulator, utilizing risk money. Remember that me live streaming and doing recaps is not an invitation to try and copy trade me. There's a formal way of learning how to trade. And copy trading is a recipe to blow up an account. So stay safe out there. And lastly, remember to be aware of the impersonators and scammers. A lot of fake accounts pretending to be me. I'll never ask you guys to send me money. I'll never ask for personal information. Here we go. We got a high of 22. Good push through the level there, but then right back down. So it's pretty volatile. 30-cent spread. So this one is coming down. AXLA, how are we doing? Bit of a slow start there. HOTH, slow start as well. Guys, if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up. Yeah, it was too aggressive there. It was a good trade though. $400 loss, which is not good. HOTH, the dip. Good move, but not holding up. Bought 4,000 shares at 320, drops to 310 or something like that, somewhere there. AXLA, on the other hand, is starting to move a little bit.
Natural gas has a distinctive rotten egg smell to it.
They're gonna go right through 50. Maybe not. Might try again. And it looks like it will. But can we hold up the level and continue going? 52. Seems like it might need the pullback. Too soon. 43, 41. Another Titanic. 38. Should be holding up here. This is the same trade I just lost $400 on, by the way. Right? This same type of pullback, the exact same way. So will this one hold up, or are we going to go to the depths? I'll give back a good amount, same way. It's not holding up. But I'll take that trade every single time. If the stock will be strong, we should hold it. So we've already lost $600 on pullbacks today. Great. Lovely. All right, so third, the next stock that goes, I'm not going to even touch the pullback. To the depths. To the depths. To the depths. Moving on. Nothing to see there. ACB. ACB. Maybe. Maybe there's something there. CRNX. Not holding up well. HOTH. Not holding up well. RCKT. SLE. What was yesterday's high? Well, this one is already pulling back a bit. Couple of scratch trades to start the day. And does it want high of day? I'm a little late here. There's a bid, but we're also not mooning. It's a little gradual. I'm a little late here though. It's why I'm not super aggressive towards this high of day, but it's going slowly. AXLA has curled up a little bit.
You just missed it. GRT, the microport hits and fly. 38.40, there we go. Can we see the retest?
HOLO. The new candle's a couple of seconds out. Now we see a good push here to 21, 22. There's tons of buying. There's big bids. Big sellers now. Maybe it goes right through. Maybe. I gotta be careful of the pullbacks. This one is a little extended off the last VWAP move, so the pullback could be bigger when it does come. There's 22, so it's pushing up, not bad. How do you guys feel about WE from yesterday? FFIE, WE here, not looking bad.
Red to green micro pullback set up at VWAP into the micro pullback. It's just adding there.
Is there a hidden seller here? 99.
I can't seem.
Here, man, my head is spinning. Nice curl back up. Ended up holding high though. We did say we were gonna be careful.
We may drive through school zones.
Quick trade there. I don't like that fluctuation there in the price. On screen is hitting, we need to go. It's pulling back in those areas. So again, ZVSA could be another good pullback here in VWAP area. Fill on the ask. I'll take it out there. Oh, that was such a good read. But can it continue through 58 here? I'm gonna add through 58. I'm gonna add right here. Can we see the push 60? Show it to me. Show it to me. 60. These baby sellers holding us back. 20,000 shares. Come on. Another one. It's eating away, but it's like struggling a little to go. Maybe the float is a little bit bigger too. fills. Not the greatest. 64. To the depths. 54. It's so tricky. This one is a tricky one. I'm thinking maybe I ease off and look for longer holds. Not making a lot of progress. See, this type of pullback on ZVSA, I like. I might take this trade on ZVSA. What's up with these dips, man? I somehow lost 2 cents. $44, $44. Size down. Hey. Dips are the death of me here today. I think that ADO's kind of high. Yeah, but it still looks good. We'll see as good a chance. Second position was a little high. There's so many sellers. And I might have gotten that higher fill. But let's see. Can we see 50 out of this? I'll give it a chance here for 50. KB. Where are those bulls, KB? Can we see something here? So ZVSA, again, the pullback there was looking good, man. But opportunity is going to cost, as always. What are you going to do when, you're watching a stock and then the other one goes? Can't do anything. If it drops down again, I'm going to add back. But I got to be careful of it potentially pulling back. Let's see, I'll re-average in case it wants to give that quick wick. But I like it. Or maybe not. I love that quick wick. And then slingshot. Because the push wasn't immediate, so we might see more consolidation. And we hold these bids. Tight stop right here. Still holding. A little too early on the sell there.
Customers in every single industry are realizing the value of
Price is right. Give me a bigger drop. It's not dropping. It better not be a false breakout here. Actually, let's see if it goes to 50. F44. KB. 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 We should see 52 out of this if it's good. Or the depths if it's bad. 44 on the bits. 46. And the depths it is. Oh, I should have took 48. Expectations. So ZVSA, it's given a, it's just this would have been a better one to trade. The pullback here is going to be beautiful. Lovely. So is there a high of day trade coming? AXLA didn't look bad, it just didn't hold for the pushback over 50, 55. 1890. Okay. This looks good, and the new 5-minute candle is 30 seconds out. So are we going to see a longer 1-minute consolidation here, or will we see a quick new high? Son of a gun. And there's 50 for AXLA, so it made a new low first. That's going to get you out of the trade. So it's 950, and I'm not green. So what that tells me is that this really is not going to be a day where I'm like up a couple thousand, unless something really good comes. So I have to start adjusting and, you know, maybe even consider reducing size unless something really good kind of takes off. Gotta check the halt scan here in a sec. Oh, that odd. I gotta be careful here. This needs to be an accurate trade. Waiting. Waiting. There's a bid. Shares getting filled. So it's a false breakout. The low is 1990 time. So we're pulling back into the new candle, which could mean a slight consolidation. Hopefully not another big 5-minute pullback, which, you know, I don't think should be the case. Three. Man, nice stops. I'm gonna keep watching here. It's bouncing up rather quickly too when it curls, when it dips. Time, 3 minutes in. Still seems to be holding up. If it comes down, a good test of strength could be good, or a break and reclaim of this level. So the high is 22, the low is about 1990. High or low as usual. Although the dips have been, not so good. Waiting patiently. Hey, there's actually a new candle already. Why is the time going so fast? 21. This might be it. Do we see the new high here? I want to be aggressive here and add for high of day if it's good. But I'm waiting. Waiting for the stock to talk to me nicely. Can we see big volume, big buying, green on a tape, and a bullish candlestick? There's some sellers, so watching and waiting. Time to bring out the big boy positions. Is this it? Should be mooning. Come on. 24, 25, 26, 24, 24, 24. I can see it, I can feel it, but I don't see it on level 2. 23, 23, 23, 23. It might go, it more than likely will go, it's just not instant. Slow to break out. I like this dip, but how low is it gonna dip? Can't get caught buying too high. 21.85, low of 21.15. Let's cut this trade. I mean, I like it. I like it. I like it. Maybe I'm out too soon. Highs at 22.01. I ought to bring out my E-Trade Pro level 2 to trade these stocks, so I can actually see within the 100th of the penny. So, might not be ready yet. Alright, waiting again. And let me see, I might be missing something else. Haven't looked at the other stocks in a long time. ACB, not much. AXLA, not much. Come on, let's see that new high. Sellers are not really big. FFIE, bit of a red to green. RCKT, nice move. And I'll watch it. Let's see if it continues up here. Break of 21. Seems to be holding. Or maybe not. Not holding. Big drop here for VZSA. Tight stops there. SLE. And I think I'm break even on the day still, so it's not really the best day. This is another decent pullback, it looks like. See, I'm still watching too many stocks at the same time. Not good. 10.03. WE is also still kind of trying. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to hit that thumbs up. If you're a new viewer, consider subscribing to the channel. Consider subscribing. We do this every single day that the market is open. Hot and cold, you know, it doesn't matter. Sick, doesn't matter. We'll be here every day. In goodness and in health, or whatever the saying is. ZVSA. You know what, I'm gonna take a starter. I'll get a fairly high fill on that starter, but okay. Low 34, 2034. Baby size, small size. Minimum risk. As long as it doesn't teleport down or something nonsense. But anyhow, I like this area. Mm-mm-mm. We need to get over 2150. I might even add. Maybe I'll add, maybe. In case it's good. Well, I was late for that ad. Yeah, it's very late. Jeez. You know what? And I'm looking at the other level too. That's why. Keep doing it. Watching at a whole different stock. Not focused. So, yeah. What was the high? 22. Okay, I'll give it a chance. We should have still been much faster on the ad. $21.58. 21.50. Should have been in at like 21.10, you know, something like that. Can we break through here? What's up? Okay, good. Do I want to trade the other stock, RCKT? It's a 21.50 and climbing. This is like it needs to hold here. If not, it's like a false. It didn't get close to the new high, but you know, kind of looks like a weaker candle. I think I'll switch gears for now. Let's see if this one is any good. All right, time to bring out the chair. Come on. It's like the motor in this desk is already going. So much for the 50,000 times. It should be able to go up and down. Pastor. How many people do we have on YouTube? How many likes do we have? Are we looking good? Like Steve, what's the word? Great, great. Guys, do not spam the chat. So we're getting a pullback here, and the 5-minute candle isn't looking great for RCKT. So I'm wondering if I should wait. I think I'll wait. See if it curls up. Maybe if it gets over 21, 27 and starts to hold up a little bit better. ZVSA having a hard time. CYRX, not sure if that's any good. How is it? SLE. There's 21, 27. But I'm waiting. Actually, what time is it? There's a new candle. I'm gonna jump in. Put a stop in place. My share size could be adjusted here though. For a little smaller size, I think. Okay, not great. That should have been a flat trade though. More or less. It's not ready yet, so over 30 didn't quite push. We got 30, yeah, 30 exactly. Yeah, AXLA, maybe it gives a push here. Quite the day, huh? Quite the day. Right now we're up $50. Under normal circumstances, $50 in an hour would be good. But what we're doing here is extraordinary. And the $50, you know, we only usually trade an hour a day or two. $50 is not gonna get it done. $50 will have us living in the streets. No pressure though. But yeah. So the momentum today hasn't really been the best. There's been opportunities though, because there always is. Bit of a slower day. I think right now, I'm thinking if I should size down and then just wait it out because there might be something good coming, right? And what I don't want to do is like, you know, like this momentum isn't taking me anywhere with all this big size. So it's like, what's the point? So I think I need to just wait. And then when something good really comes, that'll be the time to just quick, sharp, aggressive, get green, take the money out of here. If WE gains some more volume, yeah. So the break of 30 is gonna end up being good. I'm gonna get filled here. That's gonna be a great trade. Can we hold 50? I'll buy back. Son of a gun, man. Son of a gun. Mm-mm-mm. Well, back to square one. And that's RCKT. What's crazy is that I'm back in at 55, I think. Let's see. And no, I got higher fill. 57. Jeez. Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. This market is killing me today. And it's back up again, you know. What's going on? And all the chop. I'm back in at 50. I thought 55. I'm already seeing 65 on the ask. I'm like, yeah, 70 is coming, 80 is coming. I'm about to sell for the new high. 30 on the bids. That's day trading for you. But the move over 30 is so convincing, right? It's why I'm willing to get back into aggressively once we bounce over 50. It looks like we're holding over it. If the move over 30 is not aggressive, if it's not convincing, I'm not too interested in taking the half-dollar trade at 50. BMAC is at 19K today. Would BMAC take a million shares if he's at 19K? That's impressive. And which stock? Let me see. Yeah, BMAC has been going crazy. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to be honest. BMAC has been going crazy with these cheaper stocks. WE being mentioned. 68. WE.